Welcome to projection of plane class. Today in our class we have the hexagonal plate. This hexagonal plate, it is resting on HP on its corner A. The top view of the plates, it is a true shape on HP plane, and the elevation, it is a line on XY. The second stage of the problem, it is saying the surface inclined to HP 30 degree, either the diagonal through that corner AD diagonal inclined to HP 30 degree. So the both statements are the same for the second stage. Either you can say the surface inclined to HP 30 degree, either the body diagonal AD inclined to HP 30 degree. And the third stage, it is say the plan diagonal AD inclined to VP 40 degree, draw the projection. So first we draw the true shape of the plates on HP plane as a hexagonal. So first I draw the 40 mm radius, the light circle for creating my hexagonal. Now choose this point as a center, because the statement, it is say your hexagonal plate resting on HP with its corner. So choosing this point as a center, we draw the arc on both sides. Similarly, the opposite point, it is a center, you can draw the arc on both sides. Now join all the points with a straight line. So you have the regular hexagonal plate, 40 mm side, resting on HP on its corner A. So we mark our plan point A, B, C, D, E, F. Now the elevation, it is on XY line. So we first collect the vertical projection from all the corners. And we show the elevation of hexagonal plate A dash, B dash, F dash, C dash, E dash, and D dash. And we create the dark. Now your body diagonal AD it is inclined to HP 30 degree. Either surface inclined to HP 30 degree. It means my elevation, it is inclination with corner A dash. So I mark this corner A dash first. At the A dash corner, we draw our 30 degree inclination line. The surface inclined to HP. On this inclination line, we choose the A dash, D dash. Center A dash, I draw the first arc, then A dash to C dash, A dash center, I draw the arc, A dash to B dash, I draw the arc, where I mark my all the points, B dash, F dash, C dash, E dash, and D dash. We show our elevation here with dark line. So my elevation, it is inclined to HP 30 degree. The surface inclined to HP of regular hexagonal plate. Now, for the top view of the second stage, we collect the downward direction projection from our elevation. Similarly, you can collect your horizontal projection from your first stage plan. And mark your intersection point. So this is my A point. It is our B. This is our C. This is D. It is E point and F point. The corresponding intersection of the locus, it is our right point. Then we join all the points again with a straight line, because we are working with our polygon. So the edge of the polygon can be shown with a straight line. So C to D, then D to E, E to F, and F to A. Now friends, this AD, it is our true diagonal, and in second stage this AD, it is our plan diagonal, because line inclined to HP, A dash D dash, your top view, it is less than true length. Now this plan diagonal inclined to VP 40 degree. So for that we choose the one reference point on XY line. At this reference point, first we draw the 40-degree inclination line. On this inclination line, we mark our BD diagonal. So first I measure the length of BD diagonal. It is 53 mm. So we mark here BD diagonal length 53 mm. And I write this is my corner D and this is my corner A. Now I reproduce the same second stage plan. So for that I choose the radius distance A to B, center A. I draw the arc on both sides. Similarly, you can keep D point is a center. You can draw the arc on both sides. Now take your D2 F point, either B point. Choose your D point center and you can draw the arc on opposite arc. Similarly, keep your A point center. You can draw arc on opposite edge. Now you have the points. So this is just we take this figure this way. So this is my B and C point. It is our E point and this is our F point. So I join all the point A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. So here we arrange our plan diagonal inclined to VP 40 degree as per problem statements. Now what is my elevation? So for our elevation, first we collect the vertical projection from each point. And horizontal projection from previous elevation. And this corresponding intersection locus, it is giving the right point. So I check first locus of A dash on XY line, then the B, this is our C dash, this is our D dash, it is our E dash, and this is your F dash. join all the points and you can get the bounded surface. It is the elevation of the regular hexagonal plate when it's inclined to both the reference plane. So this is all the problem. It is called as a third stage problem. Thank you for attending the class.